Here we have a 2010 Infiniti G37. We just installed a Cen-cal Motor Sports catback dual mode exhaust system. It's got the electronic valves there that goes from a kind of a melotone to a little more sporty sound. You can kind of see them tucked up in there. It was plug and play setup there. Just had to wire everything in. Come with the resonators. Originally had this setup with dual in to a single and then back out. The customer didn't like that, so we put a X pipe in there and gave it a little throatier sound. It's all factory catalytic converters. So we'll do a little melotone and then open it up a little bit. Let's see what it sounds like. That's pretty much stock. There you go. Opens it right. Big difference there. Definitely have your cake and eat it too there. Have a little melotone and then open it wide open. Actually sounds pretty good.